This May is jam-packed with totally rad, super excellent, redonkulously glorious updates to keep your customers thrilled. Here's a peek. Hear that? This update is literally calling you. Use a HubSpot-provided US, UK, or Canadian phone number to connect with customers and centralize all conversation records in one place. Forward inbound calls to your phone and place outbound calls, all with one number. But don't worry, this phony number doesn't mean phony customer connections. Phony. We love a pun. Next, dial your customer calls up to 11. Sales and service reps at the Pro tier. View your call recordings and transcriptions right in your CRM. Use these mighty tools paired with coaching and playbooks features to build best practices, refine customer interactions, and unlock your team's full power. Recurring payments, along with a subscription object in CRM, help you collect that dough. We mean payments. Your customers can now enable recurring ACH as a payment method on payment links or quotes. And we take care of the rest. It just makes sense. Next, the new Payment Object feature, with its detailed transaction info on the Payments Index page, plus automation, team notification, and reporting capabilities, all make payments easier to manage. Did you know you can now associate forms with your marketing campaigns? Because now you can. This includes forms embedded on HubSpot pages, external websites, and content management systems. Track submissions to create, close, and report on deals. Hooray! There's more delightful updates on our May blog. See you there.